Ice cubes will literally murder your indoor jungle. Stop it! Welcome back to the Plant Crime Files. Today's lucky survivor is our brave friend, Zzee the Zzee plant. We received an emergency call yesterday. Zzee was found shivering, with strange, dark, mushy spots on his lower stems. Imagine this: a perfectly tough plant, known to survive anything, suddenly collapsing on a modern living room table.
I interviewed the suspect, the owner. They claimed they read a viral internet hack to prevent overwatering.
The internet hack told them to just drop 3 frozen ice cubes onto Zzee's soil every single week. That internet hack was the ultimate accomplice, spreading misinformation that leads to a silent, freezing plant massacre.
Have you ever tried this ice cube trick before? Drop an ice cube in the comments right now.
Zzee plants are native to the scorching, hot, tropical climates of East Africa. They absolutely love warmth.
Dropping freezing ice directly onto their tropical roots is a brutal, unnatural act of absolute torture.
The official weapon used here? Severe thermal shock. It destroys the plant cells instantly.
The extreme cold paralyzes the roots, preventing them from drinking, while causing the delicate tissue to rot. But Zzee was a fighter. We caught the crime early and immediately began the emergency rescue protocol. Step 1. Thawing. We immediately removed any remaining ice cubes from the soil and moved Zzee away. Step 2. Amputation. I took sterilized pruning shears to examine the hidden damage beneath the dark dirt.
I ruthlessly snipped away all the mushy, cold-damaged black stalks and roots from Zzee's main root system.
Only the rock-solid, healthy green stems and thick, potato-like underground rhizomes were allowed to stay.
Step 3. Disinfection. I sprayed the remaining healthy rhizomes with a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water.
This instantly eliminates any anaerobic bacteria trying to exploit the cold, open wounds of the plant.
I let Zzee sit out on a dry paper towel for a few hours to heal completely.
Step 4. Repotting. I placed him in a clean nursery pot with excellent, large drainage holes.
I filled it with a highly breathable, chunky soil mix, combining perlite and orchid bark for airflow. I tucked Zzee in safely, then hid the nursery pot inside the beautiful, decorative ceramic outer shell. Remember, never use ice. Always water your tropical plants with room temperature water, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. Let the soil dry out entirely between waterings. Zzee plants store massive water inside their thick stems. Zzee fully recovered from the chilling attack. A beautiful, glossy new stem emerged from the rich dirt. The ice cube case is officially closed. Zzee is safe, healthy, and thriving once again. Subscribe to the Urban Leaf right now. Save your plants from internet myths and grow some calm.